Biafra, the land of the rising suns. Onye si n'ọgaga dị ndụ hụkwa ndị Igbo, alili gerishi ya o. Onye si n'ọgaga dị ndụ hụkwa Biafra, ili gerishi ya o. Anyị bụ ụmụ Chukwu okike abịa ma ihe anyị chọrọ bụ nwere onwe anyị. Anyị ejeghị mmadụ ọbụla ụgwọ, onye biri ka ibe ya biri. Maka ebe bere ugo bere n'o, ọ bụkwa ọfọ n'ogo ka anyị ji aga. Ka anyị gbawa mbọ anya dara mba, anyị jisike anyị nwe mmeri. Enye Igbo dike, enye Igbo dike. I wear off for you, I got to financial dike. Chukwu okike kere eluigwe n'ụwa, nnabịa n'ụlọ olumo. Anyị enweghị Chukwu ọzọ ewezuga gị chịka ụzụ ndị agha. Anyị ebughị anya kọtọ gị, ihe anyị chọrọ bụ nwere onwe anyị. N'aka ndị nwere obi ọjọọ, n'aka ndị ama n'oke ọchịchọ. Ọsọkwa aka egburu egbe na mma, onweghị ya ga-emume Chukwu. Ọ bụzi mmadụ ole kunu ga-egbunu, ihe anyị ma bụ oji ọfọ gala. Onye si n'ọgaga dị ndụ hụkwa ndị Igbo, alili gerishi ya o. Onye si n'ọgaga dị ndụ hụkwa Biafra, ili gerishi ya o. Anyị bụ ụmụ Chukwu okike abịa ma ihe anyị chọrọ bụ nwere onwe anyị. Anyị ejeghị mmadụ ọbụla ụgwọ, onye biri ka ibe ya biri. Maka ebe bere ugo bere n'o, ọ bụkwa ọfọ n'ogo ka anyị ji aga. Ka anyị gbawa mbọ anya dara mba, anyị jisike anyị nwe mmeri. Enye Igbo dike, enye Igbo dike. I wear off for you, I got to financial dike.
Ekene m ụmụ Chineke, share this video. This video is for Southeast governors. Ndị agara Enugu State mbọchị agaba nọ si na ha banụrụ ndị IPOB and the rest of their Biafra agitation. I'm too well na the only thing that binds these Southeast governors together, YPOB. These people are not together. The only thing that binds them together is whenever they want to come together and they talk against Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and they condemn their own brothers. That is the only thing that binds them together. But I want them to see this video and receive small sense. Unufrotune nation na Enugu States na condemn unu before ndem bozo. Na enyu topic before ndem bozo. As an Igbos are not together, Igbos are not united. All here unu in Enugu State. You want the Federal Republic of the Zoo called Nigeria, the president, the bold enough, say that an attack against Boko Haram is an attack against the North. Up till now, they don't believe that Fulani herdsmen are terrorist organization. The same Fulani herdsmen non-Ebonyi State terrorizing them mother. The people that owns that herdsmen don't want to see them as terrorist organization. But you people on Enugu, you prescribe your own brothers. You disown your own brothers publicly. Shame on all of you. Chineke gabuno okunu niile, including that one Snokan president. Nana he okopem kembowa. Ona he okopem. You know we no konye nso holy nweche. Okpo oponko. Onoro konye nso enyi ego buba. The hottest part of hellfire awaits you. The hottest part of hellfire. The hottest part of hellfire awaits you. But they are killing people, they are killing Christians. You are but last you want to go to heaven, owned by your grandfather. God will shock all of you at the last day. This is the basis of equality. Do you see the reason why they cannot even condemn their own brothers, not even on newspaper? They don't have a leader now, they're not a terrorist organization. They are just herdsmen and bandits. Till now, they don't believe that they are a terrorist organization. But if the busy assemble, not now condemn your own. You are disowning them. You are disowning them. When you disown them and when you don't disown them, one now wolf here. Those people you are disowning, are you not owing their mothers? Are you not banking their public funds abroad? Are you not training your children abroad with their money? The light you sit in obodo when kitty, you are disowning them. We disown it is still the same thing because they have already disowned you. Governors, they have disowned you. They are not seeing you people as their leader. That is the reason why somebody getting somewhere in the world, nobody knows even the country he is. Yet he gets it at home, everybody obey. Obey. That is who they are. That is, they believe that this man is their leader, not you people. You know, force, subjugation, you people control the media, forcefully, everybody will obey. You know, force, you must obey by force, you must obey by force. At the heart of every Igbo person, every Igbo blood, they know who their leader is. All my Nnamdi Kanu, now where you draw. Do you understand? Uno amatu we na atwa ya ka vote, two people will win. Always oku Chineke. Forget about you bought media over. I condemn you, I disown you, I do you this. The people have already disowned you because Irura Honzo. Irura has school. Even you where they disown, no more getting abroad now got school. Even you where they disown, you cannot treat yourself in the zoo. Just like Bola Ahmed Tinubu is doing in France. So, what is the essence of disowning now? Okay, you will disown Haketa now. Or get mega short order an expensive hospital error. The free medical center, will you shut it down? Or get mega napo hawking in her sofa. I don't understand. Or get most money in a roga block hoya. If at all, no one care. We love run and we hate is the same thing. People should stop disgracing yourselves. I expect you people to know better. I expect you people to know better. Up till now, unu may allow greed, envy, jealousy. Jidu naso unu kaabo, unu zukwani ike, zukwanu ni ike. Apart from Senator Enyi na ya baribe, yeni na hu juru n'Enugu pregnant women. Ana kwacha kande mune miscarriage, onwe nke wo mmato. Unu niile. The only thing that binds you people together, YPOB, shame on you people. Unu ga not together. Prescribe or ban or disown IPOB, but we now got not together. We put one person go the president of Nigeria. You never know she hire. You hear me boku unneshi agunu neshi. You hear me boku. You people can come together, prescribe your brothers, but come together, bring out one person as a presidential candidate. You people cannot do that. IPOB is the only thing that binds people together. Shame on all of you. Peter Obi, Anambra State, Moalo, the same place. Peter Obi na do for vice president. Moalo na do president. Why can't those two brothers come together and bring out one person? Typical example. Ihere me boku nunile. Ndara, black people. Karatu nune shishi. You people stinks. You people are now together in Enugu. 2023 rule now. From somebody from Abia State, you can not your president. Somebody from Enugu can not your president. Somebody from Ebonyi can not your president. But if people are together, the only time people come together when it comes to IPOB matter, una dey together prescribe. But when it comes to bring out one person that will be the president of that zoo, unu na base to your tent. Show us on your gawuzi. All my party member, all my party member. Ihere me gbu okwu unu ne. Ali Igbo ga su n'ọdụ. Munu. Ehuru unu niile na-ekwugharị ka ndị riri na jiduru unu na-ata ha afụfụ because of power and politics. Ndị mbụ na ndị egede ndị ochie Igbo ga-soro unu n'ọdụ, su ụmụ n'ọdụ. Ndị ara in disown ha. Your fellow men cannot come out publicly disown their own brothers. That is the basis of your quality. Ihe na na-eme unu, agwa unu na-eshi ishi. Their brothers are beating people in Southern Kaduna, killing people in Niger State, killing people in Borno, killing some soldiers in Borno as well. But they cannot come out and call them terrorist organization. They will never. Come on, they are just bandits. But see the business now, one moment that you are disowning your people, I don't understand. If any of you dies today, that they couldn't get water that now, if Igbos truly love you people or they have disowned you people long ago. I won't hear Potaro, you know, media now. Whatever you tell them is what they will say. Hebrew, the media, not bad. They disown this person, they disown that person. Unu leader, somebody gets it at home. Everybody may obey. Only how could you know? Ground. The only place no ground on a media and newspaper, or no ground. As long as Igbo is concerned, we know ground. That is the simple truth. You people should stop disgracing yourselves. Ban on all like as we know ground on a Igbo. Do you understand? Every Igbo person knows who they are, who knows who they love and who they believe to be their leader. Our own force. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not paying anybody. He's not assembling anybody. Come and vote for me. Come and subscribe to me. No. People gave him pure love. But they gave him pure love. That is the leader. So on a wound way, you will wound nine, ya also cause ya subun nine, the oshi. you are disowning your brothers. Yeah, they are this, they are that. Those same brothers you are disowning, if you in the love Rogabi, like you seriously believe in the love Roge. Ndi Mahan and Pahongo for close to 8 months. If you in the love Roge, Ndi Jegi Jaronzo Hagana, or we are bank abroad, na hotel, so na abroad. If you in the love Roge, Ndi Quasiti or consider me when Kimberly, if you in the love Roge. Abi, you seriously believe in the love Roge. Unime which I don't know power, but no wa. Mark this video somewhere, mark this word somewhere, no wa. Ndem bon and deg, then do cheer you. That's a room nod. Because you know this now moon get bully at last. Oh moon get bully at last. Unu this omukorabia. This only you boon dear, ndara. Ndem body, uno wake this kunu na lamu. Ndi beribe ndo ochie Igbo disown kwunu ali Igbo nnazo ku disown kwunu ndi beribe mmụọ we are disowning them.